In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show variant images in a carousel in Shopify Dawn theme. If you've ever selected a color or size on a product page and wished the gallery only showed images for that exact variant, you're in the right place. The Dawn theme doesn't do this out of the box, and while it's possible to custom code it with Liquid and JavaScript, that route can be time-consuming and risky if you're not comfortable editing theme files. The easiest and least risky approach is to use an app that's built specifically for variant image filtering. Two popular options are NS Color Swatch Variant Images and Rubik Variant Images. Both are designed to let you assign which images belong to which variant. So when a customer picks, say, the red medium shirt, the gallery and thumbnails automatically switch to the images you've tied to that red medium variant. It feels seamless to shoppers because the carousel updates instantly without clutter from unrelated images. Here's the general idea of how these apps help. Inside their interface, you map your product media to each variant. Think of it like telling the app, these 3 photos go with the blue variant, those 2 go with the green variant. Once that mapping is saved, the app does the heavy lifting on your storefront. When a shopper changes the variant, the gallery filters to show only the images that matter for that selection. This works with Dawn's media gallery and thumbnails, so your product pages stay clean and focused. There are some clear benefits. It's fast to set up compared to writing custom code, and there's less chance of breaking anything in your theme. Because these apps are maintained by their developers, you also get updates and support as Shopify or the Dawn theme evolves. If something changes in the theme's structure, you're not left on your own to troubleshoot complicated code. There are trade-offs to consider. Most apps charge a subscription, which adds to your monthly costs. And while they cover the most common needs, you'll have less flexibility than a fully custom-coded solution tailored to unusual page layouts or advanced logic. If your priority is getting variant-specific galleries working reliably without digging into code, start with an app like NS Color Swatch Variant Images or Rubik Variant Images. Set your image to variant mappings, preview your product page to confirm the carousel updates as expected, and you're done. It's a practical, low-risk way to deliver a polished shopping experience in the Dawn theme.